Hey Thrive Church, it's Pastor Julie and I am bringing you your weekly video announcement. Hi ladies, Unveiled Women's Retreat is coming up October 24th to the 25th. Come experience with us
Powerful worship,
truth that transforms,
strong friendships,
Oh, and don't forget about the fun!
a little R&R, and shopping.
a deep and life-changing experience with Jesus that will leave you inspired and transformed. So ladies, come expecting. So get your deposits in today.
Make sure to check out our new ithrivechurch.com. Check out all the latest information, check out our blog posts, and also even listen to the messages online. Like our Facebook page as well. Sunday, September 8th, we are celebrating. It is our 1-year anniversary for Thrive Espanol, the Spanish service. So come out and celebrate. Parents of teenagers, do I see you? Lift your hands up, lift your hands up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There you are. The launch is coming, the biggest event of the year. We are unveiling a new season for our youth ministry with a new name, and we are kicking it off with free Chick-fil-A. We are kicking it off with an amazing rap artist and local bands. We are kicking it off with fun in the house with Eddie De La Rosa, and it will be a night that you don't want to forget. Come check it out. It's going to be amazing. Tonight, you have an incredible opportunity to come to Touching Heaven Night. 6 p.m. Don't miss it. Sean Smith is going to be bringing the word tonight, and we're going to be worshiping Jesus, have a time of prayer, and it will be very refreshing. See you tonight. There you have it. Those are your weekly video announcements. I hope you're ready because Sean Smith is in the house. Enjoy!